What up? I'm at work. Kind of bored. Figured I'd do a little review on the Smok TF4. It's a sub-ohm tank. Right now I got the rebuildable section in it, and it's the coil that came with it. I just wicked it a couple times. The thing that sucks about it is there's a lot of plastic in it, and I'm kind of worried about sub-ohming is how I normally do, because I feel I'll fucking melt it. So right now there's a well, you can't see it, but it's a 0.73 ohm coil. I can only really do 30 to 40 watts max before it starts burning the shit out of my cotton. This would work really good with a temp control rebuildable build in here. The quad coil and triple coil work fucking great, but if you're gonna buy this for the rebuildable part, get something else. Get the Kanger sub tank. It's a lot better for rebuildable anyway, in my opinion. That's about it, really. No matter how I wick this fucking thing, it's either leaky or it doesn't wick enough. I haven't found a sweet spot yet, so whatever, but I mean, it's not bad, but it's definitely not good either. So there you go. Also, this Snow Wolf 200 watt, this thing's a shit. I really do like it. I'm really liking this too. It only comes in 120 mils, so. Peace out.